Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock WRX pop. We'll dive into the straightforward methods that can transform your car's exhaust note, giving it that exciting, audible character. This isn't about complex engine overhauls, but rather smart adjustments that deliver noticeable results. Get ready to enhance your driving pleasure with a distinct and satisfying sound. The core of achieving those satisfying pops lies in an engine control unit, or ECU, tune. This software modification precisely alters your engine's fuel delivery and ignition timing, particularly during off-throttle deceleration. By momentarily cutting fuel and then reintroducing it, unburnt fuel ignites in the exhaust, creating the desired sound. A professional tune ensures this is done safely, protecting your engine. While an ECU tune is crucial, your exhaust system plays a significant role in how those pops are heard. A quality catback exhaust, for instance, offers less restriction and a more direct path for sound, amplifying the pops created by the tune. It's like giving your car a louder voice. Selecting an exhaust that matches your sound preference will truly complete the experience. Safety is paramount when modifying your vehicle. Always seek out a reputable tuner who can create a custom map tailored to your specific car and desired sound. Regular maintenance and monitoring your engine's health are also vital. While pops are fun, remember that excessive or prolonged popping can potentially stress exhaust components. Enjoy the sound responsibly and keep your WRX running strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.